Hello viewers! Today we are taking a review of Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream. Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream has been gaining a lot of patronage online and offline, leaving many curious about the unique features that make this face cream stand out in the market. Before we look into the specifics, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you find this review convincing. So guys, Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream has earned its reputation as an exceptional moisturizer, boasting a blend of powerful ingredients and antioxidants designed to revitalize and energize your skin. Let's explore the key aspects that set this face cream apart from the rest. Number 1. Hydration and anti-aging properties. This facial cream surpasses the role of a mere moisturizer. It acts as a complete remedy for aging skin. With the inclusion of speckle-removing emollients, it not only retains moisture, but also imparts a radiant glow to mature skin. The cream effectively tones and corrects previous skin reactions, especially those caused by the use of skin-bleaching products. Number 2. Collagen boost and firming effects. Dr. Rashel's Vitamin C Face Cream is engineered to combat the effects of aging on the skin. It stimulates collagen production, a crucial protein for maintaining skin elasticity, thus reducing the appearance of fine lines. The cream contributes to making the skin firmer and denser, providing a youthful and rejuvenated look. Number 3. Sun protection and spot correction. One of the standout features of this face cream is its ability to protect the skin from the harmful effects of aging. It acts as a shield against sunburn, blemishes, dark spots, and discoloration. The incorporation of powerful antioxidants not only improves skin texture, but also prevents the formation of wrinkles and reduces the visibility of existing ones. Number 4. Lightweight formula for healthy, glowing skin. Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream stands out for its lightweight formula, ensuring that it not only moisturizes the skin, but also neutralizes free radicals. By reversing and preventing sun damage, the cream leaves your skin cells nourished and your complexion radiant. It's the perfect solution for those seeking a healthy, youthful, and glowing appearance. Number 5. Brightening and even skin tone. Say goodbye to uneven skin tone. This face cream works wonders at brightening your complexion, giving you a clearer and more luminous skin tone. It effectively evens out the skin complexion, providing a flawless, radiant, and youthful appearance. With regular use, Dr. Rashel's Vitamin C Face Cream becomes an essential part of your skincare routine, unlocking the secret to a beautiful complexion. For optimal results, it is important to use Dr. Rashel Face Cream regularly and consider your unique skin type and texture. Generally, you can start noticing visible improvements within 2 weeks to 1 month of consistent use. Dr. Rashel's Vitamin C doesn't have a bleaching effect on the skin. However, it works wonders by brightening and clarifying the skin, giving it a beautiful radiance. Rest assured, Dr. Rashel's Vitamin C Face Cream is formulated to be safe for your skin without any known side effects. However, if you happen to experience any unexpected reactions or changes in your skin after using it, it could be an indication that it may not be the best fit for your skin type or texture. In such situations, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist who can offer professional guidance and suggest alternative options. Ready to try out Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream? Here's a simple guide to get you started. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and prep your skin for the cream. Next, apply a small amount of the face cream to your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Massage the cream into your skin using gentle upward and outward motions. Be sure to distribute it evenly for maximum absorption. Lastly, for the best results, make sure to include this face cream in both your morning and nighttime skincare routine. We've reached the end of our review of Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream, dear viewers. It's worth noting that there are counterfeit products circulating on the market. Prior to purchasing this face cream, it's advisable to visit a reputable store and verify the consumer protection number to ensure authenticity.